Hey, in this video, I will show you how to recover WhatsApp messages in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. It's actually a very simple tutorial that you can follow through on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. It actually really helps me out. You can also subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, you can let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it. So what you want to do is go on the settings tab of your WhatsApp account. It's on at the top right corner. From there, you want to navigate to chats and click on chat backup. If you have a backup, what you can do is just restore your chats from that backup, and you can even include the videos within the chat if you want to, but the size will be a little bit bigger. So what I like to do is actually have um, backup turned on daily, and my last backup was yesterday. So any photo that I've deleted, for example, on my computer, I can have it back up on my phone because I have a backup from yesterday, and I think I'll back it up right now. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.